today we'll be learning a hip hop move called Reebok. So let's break it down layer by layer. So the first layer is the upper body. So we're gonna do a rock back, rock forward, rock back, rock forward. Yeah, this is the basics. So this is the most important part of the move, right? So you go back, forward, back, forward, back, forward. Right? The second layer is the hand. So you're gonna go rock back, your hand goes back as well, and as you rock forward, your hand comes forward. Yeah. So it goes there, comes to the front. You don't go all the way down, just halfway down. Right? So we do alternatively. We go right, left 2 times, right, right, left, right 2 times, left, left. Yeah, as you're rocking, you slightly lean away from the hand. Yeah, so you go, if your right hand is coming up, you move slightly to the left. The left hand is coming up, you move slightly to the right. Yeah, the third and the final layer is the hop. So as you rock forward, you're going to hop. Yeah, just hop. Cool? So the movement remains the same. It goes left, right, left, left, right, left, right, right. Your hand is the opposite. Right, left, right, right, left, right, left, left. Yeah, so let's try it slowly. 5, 6, 7, go. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Yeah, make sure you're doing the rock. Make sure you're bringing the hands down in a hammer sort of a motion, and you're also hopping. Right? So you want to go in diagonals. Yeah, left diagonal, right diagonal, left diagonal, left diagonal, right diagonal, left diagonal, diagonal, right diagonal. Cool. So that's your Reebok. Let's try and practice it with music. Ready? 5, 6, 5, 6, 7.
Watching.
If you've liked our video,
Do like, share, subscribe and click the bell icon.
stay tuned.